Late last year, as more people began installing the Android 11 update on their phones, I recorded a video to remind you to enable the notification history feature for anyone who has any type of interest in looking back at the past notifications they've received on their phone or tablet. Now, this was because without enabling the notification history feature on Android 11, it is not going to log those notifications. Now, a notification log feature has been kind of built into Android for a while, but it wasn't really a user-facing feature, meaning that while it was there and accessible, you had to know where to look, and it was actually different depending on which phone you used. So in today's video, I want to show anybody who's using Android 10 and lower a couple of ways of displaying your notification history. Now, the first method that I recommend is easier, but it's not available to all devices. I checked on Xiaomi phones, and this was not accessible on Xiaomi phones, while it was there on Samsung Galaxy phones. So this first method is something that I recommend you check to see if your device has the feature. And we can do this by long pressing on an empty spot of the home screen so that we can access our widgets. And once you see the widgets page, you can scroll down a little bit and you should see one for settings. And in there for the settings shortcut. And since this is a widget, we just tap and hold, and then we drop it somewhere on the home screen. Now what this widget does is it creates an icon on the home screen, which is actually a widget, but it looks like an icon on the home screen, and it gives you a list of various settings and options from the settings application that we can access. So for example, if we wanted a quick and easy way to access the Wi-Fi from our home screen, instead of having to go into settings, go into the Wi-Fi menu, or even without having to open up the quick settings panel, we could simply create a settings shortcut using the widget system. So on some devices, this is a AOSP based custom ROM, so as long as the OEM ROM is not heavily modified, you should see a notification log option within this settings shortcut widget. And just as you would expect, if we select that notification log, we now get an icon, which is again actually just a widget, that whenever we tap on that icon, it gives us a list of the user-facing app notifications. Now sadly, this notification log feature is not present on all devices. Like I said, I checked on a MIUI 12 build of my Poco X3, and it does not have that notification log. It's not present on my Poco F2 Pro either. However, there is another way we can access this notification log. Now to do that, we're going to need a third-party application. So go into the Play Store, search for Activity Launcher, and install the Activity Launcher. There should be a number of Activity Launcher applications. I know there are some custom launchers that also include an Activity Launcher, but I'm just downloading this free Activity Launcher from this developer, Adam. When we open up the application, you should see that list as it collects all of the activities that are currently available on your device. And this is somewhat similar to what I showed you before, but a lot more options, because this is not just limited to the settings application. So once we open up the Activity Launcher, we can go ahead and type in notification log. And just like when we created that shortcut before, if you want, we can long press on that notification log, choose the Create Shortcut option, set an icon, and add it to our home screen. So that is a couple of different ways that you can access your notification history, or as it was labeled before, the notification log on Android 10 devices and earlier.